Bullying doesn't just happen in school hallways. It happens online, in workplaces, and even in politics.
A new talk show is taking on the culture of bullying. We want you to name it. Follow us and help us build something better.
All right, welcome to another episode of Live Feed with your host, Richard Santiago. Live Feed is brought to you by thebullyexposed.com. And we want to let you know that we're filming this at the time of our recording. So you can go to our YouTube channel, Nonfiction Filmmaker, if you actually want to see and read for yourself everything that we will be talking about today. So the topic today is going to be 10 ways to empower yourself when you're being bullied. We want to also let you know on our Instagram channel, Stop the Bullying _together. For the next 10 days, we will be featuring this information there. So we encourage you to go like it, comment, let us know about what you think about these 10 different ways that we choose to let you know how to empower yourself when you're dealing with a bully. Let us know all about it at our Instagram channel, Stop the Bullying _together. All right, so let's move on with number 10. Stay calm in the moment. Bullies often look for a way to react. Take a slow breath, keep your voice steady, and avoid escalating the situation. But be ready should it escalate by defending yourself. I'm going to put that out there. Number 9, use clear, firm words, okay? Saying something simple and confident like, no, that's not okay. You don't own anyone. A long explanation. So just saying, no, stop, that's not okay is all that's needed. You don't have to explain why you said those words. You don't want to get into a talking match with your bully. Number 8, walk away when possible. Walk away when possible. It doesn't mean you're weak. Removing yourself from the situation is not weakness, it's control and empowerment. But know that, yes, I will admit, in the mind of the bully, they might think, oh, this person is weak. But then that's when you go to number 9 and firmly state, it's not cool, no, leave me alone, just continue to walk away. Number 7, document what happens. First, let me say this before I read what I'm about to read. You can use your cell phone to record. In some states, you could even record secretly, like in the state of Nevada, for instance. You can record without the other person's permission. So feel free to record when you live in a state that is like Nevada. But if you don't have a cell phone, or your cell phone wasn't available, when you're done with the situation, you want to write down dates, times, what was said or done, all the witnesses that were there. Even if you think they weren't a witness, write them down, write their names down. You may also utilize your cell phone, as I said, to document the incident via voice recording. If it's online, take a screenshot and never delete the screenshot, because you'll be surprised how many times years later you'll need to prove to people that this person has been bullying you for a long time. So never delete them. Number 6, speak up and seek support. It's crucial to inform a trusted adult, whether at school or at work, such as a teacher, counselor, principal, or union representative. If you're under 18, this step is even more important. Remember, bullying thrives on silence. So don't keep it a secret. Share your experience with a parent, close friend, a counselor, trusted mentor. You deserve support. People love you and you deserve support. Remember that. Number 5, strengthen your support circle, your inner circle, whatever you want to call it. Strengthen that. Spending more time with people who uplift you. Bullies often isolate targets. Okay, bullies often isolate targets. Connection weakens that tactic. Connection, I'm going to repeat that. Connection weakens that tactic. When we gather in groups of 3 or more, we enhance our collective security. Remember that. So you want to hang out in groups of 3 or more. I always say to kids, look out when you walk into the cafeteria. Look around for that kid that's sitting by himself and sit with that kid. That's one of the best advice I can give you guys. Number 4, avoid retaliation. Fighting back physically or online can make the situation worse. Sometimes get you in trouble too. Stay strategic, not reactive. To also remember to only use physical contact to defend yourself. Number 3, protect your mental health. Bullying can affect anxiety, mood, confidence. Consider speaking with a counselor or a therapist if it starts to impact your well-being. Okay, that's important. In America, we have a stigma that if you go to see a therapist or a counselor, then you're crazy. Don't buy into that stereotype of that. It's important to keep your mind. We exercise our body, but we don't exercise our mind. And we need to treat our mind like we treat our muscles on our body and work them out, flex them, and talk with other people as well. Number 2, it's not your fault. No, it's not your fault. That's a very important thing to know. Bullying says more about the bully's insecurity than your worth. Remember that. Their behavior is not a reflection of you, but it is a reflection of them. A lot of people find that hard to grasp, but it is true. All right, now before we get to number 1, I want to let you know that live feed is brought to you by thebullyexposed.com. You can find us on YouTube at Nonfiction Filmmaker. You can find us on Instagram at StopTheBullying_together. You can find us on formerly Twitter and Facebook at The Bully Exposed. So remember that. So the number 1 thing you can do to empower yourself when being bullied is defend yourself. Or more, learn to defend yourself. Join a boxing gym or a self-defense gym, karate, kung fu, jitsu. If I left your favorite art out, I apologize. All those things you can start now to join. Know that it's okay to defend yourself. A lot of times we as people think that it's not okay to defend yourself. It is okay to defend yourself. When you're struck, it is okay to block that strike and then issue a strike of your own. That is okay. Learn to defend yourself now, not after you're being bullied. So go right now to your mom and dad and ask them to put you into some martial arts. Parents can afford it, no problem. Go to YouTube. There's a lot of great boxers. As a matter of fact, I will tell you right now, you should go to Instagram and go to Chris Moliga. I hope that I pronounced that right. He is a professional teacher of martial arts out of Malta, but I'm sure through the internet nowadays, he can help you. I would definitely go out and look for him. And the spelling of his name is Chris, Chris, and his last name is M as in Mary, O as in Oscar, N as in Nancy, I as in Igloo, N as in Nancy, G as in George, and A as in Alpha. Look him up. Maybe through the internet he can help you, or if you live in Malta, maybe he can help you. Some of you may know him as a professional instructor in the UK. He has recently changed locations. That's one thing I would definitely do. As it's done in every countdown, I'm going to repeat the countdowns. So number 10, stay calm in the moment. Number 9, use clear, firm words. Number 8, walk away whenever possible. Number 7, document what happens by writing down time, date, locations, what was said, all witnesses. You could also write it on your mobile phone. Number 6, speak up and seek support. Don't stay silent. Silence what the bully wants. Number 5, strengthen your inner circle or your support circle. Number 4, avoid retaliation, because then you can get in trouble for the retaliation. Number 3, protect your mental health. Very important one. Number 2, know it's not your fault. Okay? The way he's behaving makes him the problem, not you. And number 1, defend yourself. Right now, go to a gym. If you're not being bullied, there's a perfect time. Go to a gym. learn. Seek someone on YouTube. That's a reputable person, okay? Reputable person on YouTube to help you, and start to watch their videos and start to learn the proper way to throw a punch, the proper way to bob and weave, all this stuff. Okay, so that's going to do it for me on this episode of Live Feed. Okay, remember, it's brought to you by thebullyexposed.com. If you like this, please support us and give us a topic of what to do, all right? See ya, we love you, and we'll see you on the next episode.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm and squishy and cozy and fuzzy inside. So just do it!
Leave black people alone.